A recent study which has been conducted by using dynamic statistics modelling to estimate population risk factors in infectious diseases, and the example of FIV in 15 cat populations. Feline immunodeficiency is a virus commonly known as FIV, which is a virus passed through felines from biting. This virus is a similar infection as the human virus known as HIV. The infection results in loss of CD4 plus T lymphocytes, which then results into deficiencies and syndrome-like features. FIV is transmitted through biting, as stated before. This occurs from aggression and/or sexual contact, where the feline populations increase immensely. The risk of FIV being transmitted is much greater as the aggression of mating influence deficiencies and syndrome-like features. FIV is transmitted through biting, as stated before. This occurs from aggression and/or sexual contact, where the feline populations increase immensely. The risk of FIV being transmitted is much greater as the aggression of mating influence is much higher than if the population of feline is less. The results from the diagram that was shown shows us the cycle of FIV. The description of letters in the diagram are S symbolizing susceptible, I symbolizing infected, and M and F symbolizing male and female. As there are both male and female in the sampling, the caution that females rarely bite needs to be taken into consideration. Hence, in the diagram, the dashed line shows that males are responsible for transmitting FIV. Therefore, the carriers of FIV infection are male felines. From the recent study, the table shown shows a vast number of felines which have been tested for FIV. The sampling method was tested on a vast range and large population of felines. The results show that the majority of FIV carriers were males, as the test resulted in 20% and females resulted in 9%. From the results shown, the statement that females rarely bite can be known as accurate, as seen from the results. The population of both male and females with FIV can cause a widespread if not contained. From dynamic models of studies which have occurred has resulted population of both male and females with FIV can cause a widespread if not contained. From dynamic models of studies which have occurred has resulted in, if the virus is not contained, new infections will spread to younger generations of felines. Research studies show that felines which have been infected with HIV are likely to live for 4 years once the infection has been received.